How to delete everything on Android. This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe your device and restore it back to factory settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, tap on Reset to see all the available reset options. At this point, tap on Factory Data Reset to open the full reset page. In the next step, scroll down to review everything that will be permanently erased. This includes all your photos, apps, accounts, messages, and personal data, so make sure you have a backup before going any further. Following this, once you're ready, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. Once done, enter your PIN or password and confirm your Samsung account credentials if prompted. From here, tap Delete All to begin the process, and your device will restart automatically. Finally, the reset may take a few minutes to complete. Once it's done, your phone will boot up completely wiped and fresh, as if it just came out of the box. And that's it. If this guide helped you factory reset your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.